The advanced Outlook plugin for vtiger CRM is fully compatible and tested with Microsoft Windows XP, Vista and Windows 7. It supports completely the Microsoft Office Outlook versions 2003, 2007, also runs under 2002. It also supports the new great ribbon feature in Create Email mode. The plugin supports vtiger versions 5.1.0 and 5.0.4 all in one. No matter if you will upgrade your vtiger CRM to 5.1.0, the plugin will still work. In the preferences, you configure all the features to fit at your needs. In the Sync tab, you choose the Contact folder, the Task folder and the Calendar folder for synchronization. With the conflict resolution settings, you can adjust the behavior of the plugin for all matters when conflict occurs. Notify when conflict occurs gives you information in a pop-up window. When you choose Outlook Wins or vtiger CRM Wins, you get no pop-up window. With the AutoSync option, you can configure your plugin to sync the datasets smoothly in background. With the scheduler, you can adjust the time period for AutoSync and for the timeout. In the Mail tab, you can set that all the attachments in every mail will be synced when you click on Sync Mail. This can be useful if you have many mails with large attachments for preventing a timeout. This setting is only for the Sync Mail button and the AutoSync of mails. If you choose a single mail to sync over associated with vtiger, you will get a dialog where you can search for a specific contact or lead. In the Attachment tab, you can see the separately sync the attachments. This checkbox is set to true in default. When you attach a mail over Send and Archive, then you don't have the possibility to choose attachment or not, because the mail will be added as it is, with or without an attachment. In the Task tab, you can choose not syncing tasks older than the actual date or a specific date, or to sync all tasks. In the Calendar tab, you can choose not syncing calendar entries older than the actual date or a specific date, or to sync all entries. In the Settings tab, you have different options to adjust the behavior of the plugin. In the area Auto Login and Log File, you can set the automatic login for the plugin. On every startup, you will be logged into vtiger without being prompted for username or password. The password is stored encrypted locally. You have also the possibility to have a look at the log file of the plugin. It opens with your standard or preferred editor of log files. If you have any problems with the plugin, you can post your log file in the forum. There is only some environment data stored and the rest is plugin specific. You must not be worried about your privacy. The second area is for troubleshooting only. If something seems to be strange, then you can delete the sync files and start from beginning. The plugin will react after deleting the sync files like the first initial sync. It will only delete the sync files, not your login data or the logging data. The area User Informations shows information about the last start, your URL to vtiger CRM, your username and optionally domain. The last area links you to your user home directory, where the plugin has its configuration and synchronization files. In the Personalize tab, you can fully customize the plugin to your own needs. Hide the unneeded buttons. It takes effect immediately to the plugin bar. In Language tab, you can change the localization of the plugin from standard EN English to DE German. If you change it and restart Outlook, the whole plugin will be in the chosen language. Not only the complete interface, also the logging and all informations, message boxes and pop-ups will be translated. In some cases, especially error handlings, there is also the English detailed informations added that comes from system. New languages will add it in the next versions. This button sends a selected email in the mail view of Outlook to the contact or lead with the mail given email address, completely with email body and attachments. Choose an email in your Outlook inbox mail list view. If you're logged in, the Associate with vtiger button should be enabled. Click on it and the plugin will search for the contact who has this email. If the contact is found, the email will be associated with the contact. You can see the association under More Info tab in your CRM at the Contact Detail Informations. If you have the AutoSync activated, you can also start the sync manually. Click the button Sync Mails, and after syncing you see all synced mails marked with a complete flag. When you write a new email to a contact that is also present in vtiger CRM, you can directly send and archive this mail to your contact in vtiger. It sends the mail and also associated with the contact in vtiger. If you sync contacts, tasks or calendar and you have not set auto accept, then you will get the following screen pop-up. This overview screen you can see the entries which will be added, updated, modified or deleted in Outlook and vtiger CRM. If you choose accept changes, then the changes will be synchronized immediately. Or click on details, you get more information. This window is also presented by tasks and calendar. The plugin checks on first and last name if a contact may be doubled and informs you before syncing with the pop-up window if you don't have auto-accept active about the doubled entries. You can watch them in a list view like in the following screen. In this case, Martin Muster could be doubled or may be doubled. If you check it, it will be added anyway. If not, the entry will be excluded from synchronization. Another great feature is automatically account creation or association. If you create a new contact in Outlook and fill out the company field, the Auto plugin will check on next synchronization if the account to this contact exists. If not, it will be creating the account. If the account exists, then the contact will be associated with it. What entries or items you can sync depends on your vtiger access rights. You will be able to sync everything where you are the owner. But what is with group relations? Yes, you can also sync entries where the owner is the group and there you are a member. But be careful, the plugin handles group membership same as owner. It doesn't override the group on update, but if you delete the entry, it will be deleted for all others. It is the same behavior as in vtiger CRM.